How do I improve my Zoom video quality? This looks like crap. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to go from this to this to this, all without buying a webcam and not having to rearrange your desk setup. I'm Amanda Horvath, and I help freedom seekers use video to build a personal brand and scalable online course business without overwhelm or wasted time. So if you're looking to step off the hamster wheel of trading time for money, then be sure to subscribe and click the bell to be notified every time I release a new video. And if you're looking for a quick start guide to video, then be sure to follow the link in the description below for my 15-minute bingeable series. In order to have the perfect Zoom setup, you have to prioritize where your desk goes. Now, I don't know about you, but that is not possible in my living situation. The desk goes where the desk goes. This means that you might have a window on the side of your desk, which makes your face be half lit and often blown out on one side and shadows on the other. Or maybe you have no natural light where your desk is set up, which is making you rely on lamps and overhead lighting, creating really weird shadows on your face. Or worst case scenario, your desk has a light in the background which can make you look like a silhouette at different times of the day, making you that ominous character on the Zoom call. In this video, I'm not going to tell you to rearrange your entire office to make it look better for Zoom. I am just going to tell you how to optimize your lighting and audio and visuals, so your camera, so that we can make it look as good as possible for where your desk is set up. Part 1. Optimize lighting. Adding a light source to your setup is going to immediately make your video quality look so much better. The trick is finding one that doesn't look super harsh, especially when it's really close to you, and also one that doesn't take up a ton of space. So I have scoured the internet and searched for the perfect light that I can just straight up tell you about. So without further ado, let me introduce you to my latest gear obsession, the GVM Desk Mount LED Video Light. This light clamps directly to your desk, which is incredible because you're not having to fit a light stand behind your desk or on your desk that is going to be taking up space. It's also dimmable and color temperature adjustable so that you can adjust both of those throughout the day depending on your preference. This light ended up being the perfect solution for me because I do have a window that is right behind me whenever I'm sitting at my desk, and it is powerful enough to light me up from the front to where that's not as big of an issue. I've linked this light in the description below. It is an affiliate link, and I would so appreciate if you would be willing to use it, and I would also love to hear your feedback of what you think about it as well. And be sure to click like and drop a comment below if you're getting value from this video. Now, before you go and ditch this video because all you needed was a lighting source, be sure to stick around to the video portion of this, because what I did find is that even though you have a great light source, if you are still backlit or have other light that's coming into the room, then Zoom does this automatic exposure thing that might still make you look blown out. So I've found a solution for that, so stick around to the end of this video. Part 2, audio quality. One super easy solution to up the quality of your audio is just to use headphones. This surprisingly does work pretty well, and so I don't want to discount that. If you don't like the strings hanging down, you could always use AirPods. Now, if you are looking to up the audio quality, then there are 2 microphones that I would recommend. The first is the Blue Yeti microphone. This is a USB microphone and probably the most popular one out there. It comes with a desk stand, but if you want to have a boom arm like I do, then I have linked to that in the description below. The Blue Yeti microphone is an amazing choice, but it is on the pricier side, so it depends what you are looking to spend. The second microphone is a lot more affordable, and it doubles as a vlogging mic for, let's say, you're filming on your phone, or maybe you have a camera, then it works for both of those as well. So if that is you, then this might be a good solution for you. But note that it does not plug directly into your computer. It's going to plug into your camera. So you are going to need to use the next tip that I'm going to cover right now. Part 3, video quality. Instead of going out and buying a webcam, the easiest solution is to use your phone as a webcam. All you have to do is download an app called Epoch Cam and follow the instructions to get it set up. It is super easy. All you need to do is be on the same Wi-Fi between your phone and your computer, and it seamlessly connects. This immediately creates a jump in quality with your image. Once you have the app downloaded, all you need is a little tripod that's going to sit on your desk. I am using a GorillaPod with the iPhone holder on it. And the iPhone holder also has a shoe mount where I can put the microphone on it, and then that microphone can stay there all the time, even when my phone is not there, and I can just plug in the microphone whenever I need to use it. So going back to my previous mentioned tip about how to avoid this auto exposure issue on Zoom, the solution is to use your camera. And the reason that that works is because on your camera, you can actually lock the exposure by just holding down your face, and it will lock the exposure on your face instead of being shifting back and forth between the light behind you. So just to do a quick little test for you, you're now looking at my webcam that is built into my MacBook Pro, and you are hearing the Blue Yeti microphone. And now just by going to preferences, I could choose the different microphone as well as the different camera. So I just select the camera. This is now my iPhone that you are looking at. You're still hearing the Blue Yeti microphone. And now I can change it over to the other microphone, the VitaPaul microphone. And so you're now hearing what that sounds like. So there you go. Just like that, you can optimize your Zoom setup without needing to move your desk around. If this video is helpful, be sure to click like, drop a comment below letting me know, and I'll see you in the next video.